Tuesday, 14th of July. It's going to be a hands-off day today because we've got CPI at 1:30 and then we've got Warshes testimony to Congress at 3 o'clock. So it's going to be a bit of a possibly a mental day. So we're just staying out. But as promised, the morning markup. So bearish on the daily, broken this low. This is the last swing leg, marked out high and low. The daily mitigated the premium of the last leg, created that new leg, and now the 4 hour is trending down nice. So of the last 4 hour leg, which is this, we've pulled in, mitigated premium, and then start to range. But onto the 1 hour structure is tagged into the premium of the 4 hour, broken structure down again, and then here it's tried to push up, failed to take the high, and then wicked the high, or not wicked it, but took the high out and instantly rejected. Shifted, given a bearish shift once again because we broke that last structural low. We pulled into the premium of the last 1 hour leg, giving Monday short opportunities from that area there for me. I didn't actually get anything in this zone, although I did watch the morning yesterday, although I'd already decided I weren't going to trade because I was tired from the weekend, because I had quite a big weekend in the lakes. I just didn't rest all weekend. We just went sailing, camping, a couple of late nights, and I thought it best to be hands off on Monday, just see how the market plays out, because I tend to make my mistakes then after tiring weekends. On the 5 minute, we pulled into the premium, and we can see here that I just didn't get an entry. What I needed to see for my entry model was like pulling into the premium, see some small 5 hour structure form, a wick of that 5 hour structure, and then a break structure to the downside. That's what I needed to see. That's what I needed to see for my entry model. But as you can see, the price just moved up, came down, and just started trending down on the 5. And then when New York came in, New York's entry did take this high there and then broke structure, but it never pulled back. So technically there was a liquidation and a breakdown, but it wasn't the entry model that I was looking for. And by time we pulled into here, it was 20 past 9, 11. So my cutoff is like 10:30, 11. I don't see much success after that, and obviously here, my entry model would have never came. So today we're bearish, liquidated this high, broke structure to the downside, pulled to the premium, and we've now broken structure to the downside again. So we are bearish. So in theory, we could do this as far as the model goes. Mark out a premium. We can wait for price to come back into the premium, wait for our entry model, and then take the short. But given today we've got CPI and Warshes testimony to Congress, to my understanding, or to my limited understanding, especially of the testimony, is he's going to be grilled for a few hours, and anything that he says under pressure or anything can move the markets, to my understanding, to my reading. First time I've sort of paid attention to it, so I could be completely wrong. But like I say, this isn't a lesson, this is my own journal to myself, so it's going to be interesting to see how it reacts to that grilling, because I'm quite curious on that. CPI today, so the inflation rates, so there's too much going on today, and structure does look a bit strange. That's quite a big range, and I don't know, it's just a bit messy. Hands off, I'm gonna go to work.